like to introduce Tri-Tronics Product Inspection Control Module, referred to as the PIC-1. The module is a plug-in unit and is multi-featured for typical inspection tasks. It coordinates 2 or more sensors in a look-now routine. This is typically done as a standalone operation, but I also have information that can go off to a PLC if you need to do that. But everything is handled simply by selection of the dip switches that get you the function you want. The 2 events, of course, are the inspection sensor, which would say, listen, I'm looking maybe for a cap on the bottle. The inspection sensor says, is the cap present? And a second sensor or input signal that would say, but is the product present? I can't look until the product is present. Then I accept that information from the inspection sensor. This module coordinates both. For any inspection, I have 2 choices that I can do. Number 1, I can either do a one-shot with the decision that I make, which means I want to eject the product, with a kicker or blow off, or I want to latch and hold the information in case you want to stop the machine, whatever you want to do, take action immediately. But also, either of those 2 events, I could activate a delay before I do them. So I could either do a delay in one shot or a delay in latch until I get a reset signal. There are 4 LEDs on the top showing you the event of each sensor, as well as I have a potentiometer to do a finite adjustment of either the delay before I take action or the delay of the duration of the one shot. Typical applications, as I indicate, would be, is the bottle, when it's filled, is there a cap or no cap? For example, is the bottle filled or partially filled or empty? Is the label present on the product? And even things like high cap or low cap. Here the cap is screwed on, but if it's not screwed on all the way, it's a high cap. We also have holes drilled in a part. Are all the holes there? I can handle multiple inspection sensors. Are they there, or is it one of them missing? Or is it the right part or perhaps the wrong part? So in summary, we can handle just about any type of inspection, whether it's indexing machine or on the fly. And if you have an application, give us a call. We'd be delighted to hear from you. Thank you.